Well, today I'm already ahead of schedule because last night when I come back from my nan and granddad's, I edited yesterday's video, so that's all done. So I'm going to mess about doing that this morning. It is busy uploading now on my internet box, which probably going to take about 6 hours. So I'm going to do as much as I can in the internet box, then boost it with this. So I haven't had that to do this morning, so my plan was just to get up really early and do shit. That didn't get out of bed until 10:10 again, 2 days in a row. But tape measure, gonna measure this because I need to get a decking board to fix my dad's decking today. Yeah, because that's broke, I need a new one. So I've said to him, I'll get it done. Just want to make sure there's no others. To be fair, like, there's not. They're all alright. But again, it's not a bad day. England's going pretty good so far with the weather. So like I was saying, my plan is to go off to Fairless's to go and get the decking board as soon as. And then my nan the granddad definitely wants to come along. I don't know if my nan wants to. So I need to wait till they're up. The curtains have just moved, so you know they're ahead of schedule today. So still give it another 40 minutes till they're ready, like. So I'll nip over and see if they're ready to go anytime soon. Get over there, come back to the decking board, get this done, get the bird boxes done. It's a bit late for them. That's anything on May. 2nd of May today. But good news. Freaking hell, yesterday's vlog turned out to be 23 minutes long. So that's something positive to look forward to. See if I can try and get a couple of days of consistency with long vlogs, because you do like a normal soap on telly, not like a bar of soap, but a normal soap on telly is anywhere from like 25 minutes to 30 minutes long. This is what I need to wash my hair this morning. Look at that. It's just doing my head in. But it's like, they're 25 to 30 minutes long. And like I say, I've been averaging 14 minutes. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. It's not. That's bad. But on one positive note, the pole's still standing. I don't know what he's done to the grass, Darren. What are you doing? But we erected that pole yesterday. Jesus, what a freaking struggle that was. Oh, squiggle. There's a squiggle right up there. Oh, where's it gone? Damn it. There's that one. I'm right at the top of your bloody film crew. Too late every time. So, good job, good, well done. And what I was meant to say by that was a good job, well done, mate. Tackle the bumblebees. Dazzy D. Oh. Dazzy D. No. Oh, it's a freaking bird in again. Out you get. What's that little bird? I'd see me granddad getting chased out the curve. Has he got it? You got it? Look at that.
Whoops.
Oh, gone. I don't even know what that is.
You see me? Like what I
Oh God, aye.
put them in last year, just before the end of the season.
Yeah. Oh well. Well, we've returned back to the caravan site from collecting the piece of decking from my dad's decking. I've got my drill on charge. I can see that now. I can see I've got my drill on charge. So I've got my drill on charge. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to put it down. So that's that one done. And then, don't really want to, but I've got to crack on with my bird boxes. And I don't really want to because I can't be bothered. I'm just throwing it out there. I can't be bothered. Well, we're going to take this up. Car needs a good clean. Again, I'm not doing it while it's windy, while it's freaking forecast for raining at the weekend. So we'll just plough on. You can see them kind of zooming, so I'm only one-handed. There is a swallow flying about. There's a collared dove flying about. A rabbit hopping about. Darren, nowhere to be seen still. What's he up to? Well, Mum and Dad, well, mainly Dad, because Mum probably not that bothered about it. There you go. It's your new board. So I'll get put in as soon as my drill's charged. Could actually do the steps as well, I couldn't I? Right. Magic, I'm back. See, I've got that longer piece, so I might see if I can just do a couple of these. Definitely do that one. Probably these ones. We shall see. We shall see. But I say I can't do nothing until my drill's done. Let's have a little water, see if Darren's up here. Probably not. He's probably in the house because the dogs are out, so that's probably why he's out. Butterfly. Hello. Steady. Oh, I can't get a pheasant. Pheasant flying. Oh yeah, he's levelled all that off. Bless him. It's looking pretty good. Looking a lot better than what it was. Ducks. Right. Well, that's the river looked. I'm not speaking very good English at the moment, am I? That's the river looked. I didn't mean that, I meant to say that's the river looked at. So, what's on the next agenda, Jamie? The next agenda is I don't have a Scooby-Doo. Simple as. I don't have a Scooby-Doo. So, there's in one there. Checking out. starting. That one there. Bloody hell! Damn it! Well, so far so good. I did make one cock up. So, I did have 3 of these, got 2. Right, I can get this one done, get that one done, and get a small one up there. So, pretty good. Weather's turned, it's getting colder. Not very good. Well, that's the steps done. Just gonna go and sweep my mess up with my little brush because someone broke my handle. Gonna sweep that up and then see how Darren's getting on, if he needs a hand without. I hope he doesn't. Well, like you see, it's not the best, but it's all I had to use. All the offcuts, but the steps are a hell of a lot stronger, and your new board's in. What have I been up to since the last seniors? Well, like I say, I've been helping Darren. Well, I haven't helped Darren, to be fair, I've just been talking to Darren there. I've done me mum and dad's decking, as you've seen. I've come down for a little bite to eat. I'm basically having chicken and chicken. I've got 2 salt and pepper chicken skewers, what I got from the butchers the other day, that need using. So I've had to put them in. And I put just a little tiny box, just a couple of little bits of popcorn chicken in. Gonna have them. Because tonight, my nan and granddad are out for a meal at the Hare and Hounds. Now obviously, like I was saying, I've had literally nothing to eat all today. I'm starving. It is 3 o'clock. So I've got 3.5 hours left till go out. I can't wait anymore. I'm just so hungry, so I'll have that. So I'm saying I've had to have it. I've not had it yet. Still cooking. But it smells lovely in here. Crikey, it's a bit steamy in here.
With Oral-B power. Oral-B's rounded brush.
Very steamy because my chicken is nearly done. Salt and pepper chicken. That's where it is. I've got a video uploading 87%. Uploading 46 minutes. What is it? It's Derwent Reservoir. We erected a pole. We did. Me and Darren erected a pole yesterday. We did. So, it is very steamy. You just open the door and just see what happens.
Heart and soul goes into your.
Oh, right, let's have a little look. Oh, looking good, looking good. I'm gonna get them both. Really, really, really careful. There. Look at that. Actual reed buttons. Put it up there for a minute. Yep. Well, there's one. Oh, I can't even see it on this. Doesn't matter, they flew off. Yeah. But I got a picture of them. Let me just see it. Hey. Freshly shaven. Hair on fleek. Not in LA get up. Going for a meal. Can't wait. The crows.
Oh.
Crows were outside of work.
What?
Never.
No, chew all the plastic off the cars.
Don't want any of our other.
No trimmings.
And I just want the 8 ounce sirloin steak well done with those. Yeah.
Can I have the hunter's chicken, please?
Eyes are 16.
Oh, thanks. You just spoiled me. Oh, and what does your granddad once say? All right.
Pardon me. I'm pleased I wasn't sitting there.
Oh my.
That smells lovely.
Is it?
Wrong. I thought you got the Hunter's chicken.
That's me, man.
Oh, right. Don't bother
Getting
that.
dessert, because I definitely am.
If I had
If you want one.
If I had that, I'll be happy.
Hello.
Very surprised you want
Hello.
Wow.
Hello. Right, gorgeous that.
Didn't see the spoon. Didn't dribble down yet.
Very hot.
House.
Right.
Blue house.
Right. Great.
Not Blue House.
I think it's a pink one.
It was yellow, man.
Was it? Say it.
But we've had our start then. Away from Zavon's dear.
Good video, isn't it? Class. What?
Why do you sound so surprised?
It's just
Yes.
that.
Steak and chips. Yes, I said well done.
I don't know.
He's gone. He's gone.
Keep moving. Right.
Hurry up, man.
There you go. It's done.
That was a video.
That one was, eh? Is that better, Ethan?
What?
Good. Is that a good knife? Don't worry, I'm not getting your face in. Look, the face is blanked out. That's what it's going to be like.
Is that our lanes? Everything alright?
So the thing is, Lynn, out of the sun there. Oh.
Where?
Oh, and unfortunately, that is where I ended last night's video. Basically, went to the Hare and Hounds, had some food, had a mint time, came out with my nan granddad's, literally stopped in my nan granddad's for that about 20-30 seconds, came over here and like I say, I crashed out for the whole night in bed. So thank you very much for watching. I know it's just short of 20 minutes. I'm trying to get above 20 minutes every day, but it's a bit short. So if you've enjoyed it, please like, please subscribe. Today, all I can see is 4 lads Metro Centre. What could happen? Thank you for watching and see you next time.